Alors ce week-end, il y a mon oncle et ma tante, Philippe et Christine, qui sont venus nous rejoindre à Milford. Et il y a
des gens de la capitainerie qui nous ont invités sur leur bateau pour qu'on voit comment on fait et puis aussi pour qu'on fasse une petite balade. Donc on a hâte d'y aller. On a les trucs pour pas vomir aussi.
Hello, bonjour, I am Mike and I own a Pentland, this lifeboat. The boat was built in 1957 and was deployed up in North Scotland on the north coast at a place called Thurso, and then she was moved to Swansea in South Wales and she was stationed there for 17 years, and then she finished her working life at Workington in Cumberland, and in 1991 she went into private ownership, of which I'm the 5th owner to proudly own this boat, Pentland. She is moored here in Milford Haven, and I just have fun with her. People love coming out on board with her, and we use her a lot in the summer, and she's great fun. Fun to be on board.
Thank you, Mike.
Good?
She's a big vessel, she's 30 tons in weight, and you need people to help you sail her. You can't do it on your own. And I'm having a lot of fun with her. It takes all my money, but she's a lovely vessel, and in this waterway, 12 miles of water in the haven, she's beautiful.
Il y a 2 moteurs dans le bateau là. Le propriétaire me disait qu'il ne se rappelle plus bien la puissance des moteurs et chaque moteur fait entre 60 et 70 chevaux en fait. La coque, le pont, c'est fait en bois et toutes les superstructures en revanche sont en aluminium.
So then Davey Barrett, say very good friends with Mike, who's the owner of this boat. Mike's had it nearly 2 years now. As obviously Mike was in the Navy for quite a long years, so with my background of working in the marina and having boats for over 20 odd years, so he's got me to come on board then, so I take it out with him then and try and give him a bit of lessons how to drive it, because you know she's an old girl, she doesn't handle the best like she would like a modern boat, and they say it's lovely Gardner engines down there. She's not the fastest boat, but she's quite a safe boat, you know, a bit of a trick to handle it, you know, in the weather, but touch wood, we haven't hit anything as yet.
Il disait qu'il allait à 5 nœuds et tout à l'heure c'était plus 9 nœuds en fait, avec le vent.
And it's nice to see these boats still surviving, to be honest. You know, a lot of upkeep with them, but we try and get out as much as we can. Anybody who's going around walking by, you see anybody on board, give them a shout and you're more than welcome to come and have a look at this old girl, like, you know.
Alors tu pilotes, Eden? Bah si, t'as la barre. Tu vois ce que tu fais?
That way a bit, that way a bit.
On était mieux toutes les deux, on s'amusait mieux. Oh là là, c'est mieux entre enfants, hein, je peux te dire. Bon, voilà.
Du coup, ça a été